Hey guys, Old Nelson 2019 here, and I'm back with another episode of Attack of the B Team. So, I'll be living in that tree, I guess, because a lot of you said I should. And today, I'm gonna start, well, that, sort of. I'll do the hollowing out the tree off camera so you don't have to see all that. So, I was thinking today we can do some exploring in this cave we saw last time. And I want to make a doorbell. I don't know how to. Let's see, where's that? Right there. A note block and a button. That's not there. Okay. Oh yeah, I repaired my house from last time, the creeper incident. What is? Oh my! It's a Mexican hat. That it's like a, what is it? Sombrero? Yeah. I want a sombrero. Ow! Oh gosh, lag. Ow! Stop it! Stop! Oh, okay. Hold on. I'll be back. I need food. I don't know if I have any. Yeah, I fixed this wall. What's that? Row and berries. Can I eat that? Oh, okay. Chicken. Let's cook that. Oh, cooked mutton. Alrighty. So some of you told me that the slime is a boss, and I just killed it. I don't know why. It's pretty... Oh, is he back up here? Blue slime. What? Oh, whoa. It's like 1.8. That's a really big tree. Or my new home. Okay, let's go back into the cave and try this again. Hello? Oh wait, this is the wrong way. That's what I want, right there. Hello, just don't mind me. I'm gonna be... I can hear you. See what else is in this cave. Silver. What does that sound? Fur is something. Lumina. That's that scary stuff I don't want to touch. Because I learned that last time. Hello. Fossil. Archaeology. Oh. They may need to check that out. There's a dead person down here. Okay. And what is that? Oh, is that oil? Did I get... Hello. I swear I just thought that was a cat. Ow. Hello. Please stop. I'm just a bat. I'm gonna collect some of this as soon as this zombie goes away. Go away. Alright. Alrighty. So, my goal of this video is to start my house, get a doorbell, and maybe get some furniture from the furniture mod. Hello. What? Yeah, go this way. Ow. Why is there so many spiders? What? Wait, does that one hurt me too? Okay, yep. Come at me. Ow. I'll go away now. Oh, hello zombie villa. What is that? I want pants on my head. No, I don't want to be a zombie villager. Oh god. No. No. I just want to be a bat. That was scary. Ooh, diamonds. It's really easy to find diamonds, and so many ores in this mod pack, which is amazing. I hear somebody. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back up to the surface. If I can find. What? Oh, marble. So many mobs down here. I don't want to be. How do I get out? What? Oh, more diamond. Hold on. I can't wait to live in that tree. It's gonna be amazing. So there's really not gonna be a goal for this series. I'm just gonna, like, build a bunch of cool stuff. And is that even more diamonds? Yup. Oh my gosh. Did I collect? Oh. I just want that one diamond. Give me diamond. Stop shooting at me. I know you're there. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna go see a chest. Dungeon. Dungeon chest. Dungeon chest. Please go away. Is that even more Ow, stop shooting me, please. Okay, seriously. Oh. Oh, they're fighting. Skeleton fight. Skeleton fight. He's going after him. Yep, this more diamond. I'll get that in a sec. Do I have a torch? Nope, I'm just gonna go break this. Please, please, go. Safari net. What is that? I know I can hear you, Oh my! A stencil. What was that? I don't want that. That's interesting. Don't know what I need for dragon eggs. Skeleton, stop shooting. Oh, wait. Oh, oh! Oh, that arrow just shot him, I think. Actually, thank you for that arrow. So many diamonds. Alright, okay, I seriously need to get out. I keep getting off track. If I can find my way out. So many ores. Can I get out now? Okay, or not. Okay, what the heck? I want out. I'll do /kill if I have to. I might have to. Ow, go away! Stop! The bat just wants out. He doesn't want to be in here. Why are you holding that? What the heck? I want out. Okay, I need it. I'm sorry. You can never have too many diamonds. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. What? Why is that all stone? Oh, it's aluminum. Oh, it looked like diamond. Because I thought it was all that. Okay, I'm just going to do /kill. What was that? Nausea. What? I didn't even die. Why did it make a really... Ow. Die. 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 What... Is it this thing? Single use. Oh, it was those and I just used them up. Now? Now does it work? Oops. Okay, now... Well, that was interesting. Did I just lose all my stuff? I swear, I had keep inventory on. What's happening? Chunks load, please. I'm scared. I don't want to be... Okay, thank you. Oh, is this a block? Huh. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna put all this in here for now. Diamond. I have 40 diamonds, and I'm only on the second episode. Is that dinosaurs? I'm just gonna get some diamond armor on so I can protect myself, and I'm gonna go to bed. And I believe you are in a morph. Okay, I will turn back to my normal self. My arm looked really, like, skinny. It's weird. I don't know how long this episode has been gone on for. So, what was I? Oh, yeah. Turning to the bot. Then get some wood, maybe. Oh, there's an axe. Give me wood. Okay. Wait, can I make a note block? I think this is how you make one. Yay! Alright, now I need... Do I have a piece of cobblestone? Okay, good. Just make one little button. What else could we make this episode? A mailbox? Is there a mailbox? Hedges. Fire alarm. That's gonna be useful. Blinds. A present! Cool. Stone. Oh, okay. Pretty cool. Oh, I need... No. Was that like an iron nugget? A nugget? Can I have a pink door? Is this possible? Oh my gosh. My new door. My new door. It even has a heart on it. That. What? There's no block there. Yeah. Okay, this is. That's the best door ever. I don't know about you, but I'm very proud of it. I'm leaving it like that for now. Oh, I was like, what the heck? What else can we make? A fridge. Oh yeah, I want to make this. So we just need 2 cobblestone, and I cooked all of it. Maybe that'll work. Boop. How do you make it? Is it cobble? Yeah, I think it's cobblestone. I'll just put 2 down out here. Okay. There we go. It's gonna... Alright, so I'll hollow all of this house out and make it look a little nicer off camera so you don't have to, see all that and it gets boring. So, like, what else shall we make? Curtains. Electric fence. No, that's a little bit too expensive right now. How much is it to make a gun? If I can find them. I think it's the last page. No, wait, I'm going the wrong way. Alright, there we go. Get prototype. What is that? How do I make these? I know there's like a certain... What? A seat. That's nice. How do I make a gun? Leave that in the comments, because I'm probably not going to be making one. What is that? Netherrack sign. Interesting. What could we make? What is this? Huh. Bunch of... What the... Oh my. Cyan back. Is this like all disguise stuff, I think? Eh. Why is there so much stuff? Oh my gosh. I don't want any of this right now. Stop out. Oh, we should go to Tropicraft sometime. Yeah, that'll be in the next couple episodes. Alright, what do we need? Bamboo sticks and wool. Alright, we're doing that. Wait, what do we need? Oh yeah, we need a pina colada and bamboo. So there's some bamboo right there, and we'll get some wool. Do I have iron? Nice. We may get a portal. Then we have to wait till like sunset and then drink the majestic pina colada or whatever. I think it's called a cocktail. Oh wait, I spelled that wrong. Cocktail. There we go. Cocktail. A pineapple, coconut chunk, empty bamboo mug. Is that the same? Okay, how do I make an empty bamboo cup? Bamboo cup. Yeah, Tropicraft's one of my favorite mod. Did it work? Okay. Or not. That's perfectly fine. Cup? Plastic cup. Okay, thank you. Oh, there's did I get a pineapple? Okay. I gotta get out of this because it makes my inventory dark and that's just really annoying. Alrighty. Alright, let's go back to our house and then we'll go shear some sheep. I'm gonna go get that. Keep getting distracted, I'm sorry. I'm just so excited for Tropicraft. There's like a bunch of cool stuff. Oh my gosh, look at all this bamboo. Okay. What is that? I want it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put that hat on I got in a little bit. My house is way over here. What am I doing? Is there coconuts? Oh, coconut. Yeah, we can make one if we just... What is that? What is that? What are those? Those are cool. Huh. Alrighty. Let's go into our crafting table. Test out some stuff. Haha! First try! That's just how I guess. I really don't know. Alrighty. Okay, now we need to make sticks. Yep. Couple more. Alright, let's go shear some sheep. What time of day is it? Because we need to drink it at sun. Oh, it's going down, I think. Yep. Okay, sheep, I need you now. Because I want to drink my pina colada. What is that? I love the hat mod. You just don't know what to expect. Sheeperinos. Pigs. I don't need you right now. I need sheep. Okay, why did I just freeze? Oh. Okay, that was interesting. And why do I keep freezing? Computer, I know you're better than this. Yes! Yeah. Alright, I'll just make a yellow one for now, because I just saw a dandelion. Oh, that's annoying. What do I need? Pineapple cubes, don't need that. Okay. Wait, do I need more than... I think I need more than one. Yeah, I need one more. Okay, there's one right there. Perfect. What is that? Please don't hurt me. Ah. Whoa. Oh gosh, I'm gonna starve. I need that. Okay. Just... That didn't fill up much. I just noticed that. Is my house over here? I don't know which direction I came from. Is it this way? I don't know where I came from. I need my mutton. See, I'm just gonna do slash kill. It's sunset. Kill. Ow. Didn't see that one coming. Why does this always happen when I respawn? Oh my god. This is beautiful. Oh, okay, I'm back in my house. Need that. Oh wait. I'm not doing this right. What am I doing? I'll just put that there for now. Okay, I need this. Alright, there we go. I'm just gonna... do I have enough wood for a chest? Do I get a pink chest too? I swear. Okay, no, it's just a normal chest. That's fine, be like that. I don't want to lose any of this. I'm just... Oh wait, I should make it... I don't want to... wait, what time? No, I missed my opportunity! I'll just get it set up and ready. Put my chair there. Okay. And turn back to my normal self, and we'll probably go to it in the next episode of Attack of the B Team. As soon as I make this sword. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe and spread the word, and see you guys later. Hold on, I gotta put that hat on for the ending. What? Why don't we have two hats? Oh, they're right here. No, that's it. What? Oh wait, I didn't save it. Okay, see you guys later. Goodbye.